Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2. Let's continue with replacing your ABS speed sensor. Step-by-step replacement guide. Replacing your ABS speed sensor involves several steps, from lifting the vehicle to testing the new sensor. Follow these steps to ensure a successful replacement. 1. Safely lift the vehicle. Park on a flat surface. Use a level and stable area to park your car. Engage the parking brake. This will prevent the car from rolling. Use the jack. Lift the vehicle using the jack at the designated lift points. Place jack stands. Position the jack stands under the car for added safety. 2. Remove the wheel. Loosen the lug nuts. Slightly loosen the lug nuts before lifting the car. Remove the nuts. Once the car is lifted, remove the lug nuts completely. Take off the wheel. Carefully pull the wheel off and set it aside. 3. Locate the ABS speed sensor. Find the sensor. The ABS speed sensor is usually located near the wheel hub. Inspect the area. Check for any visible damage or debris around the sensor. 4. Disconnect the sensor. Locate the connector. Find the electrical connector attached to the sensor. Unplug the connector. Press the tab and carefully pull it apart. Remove fasteners. Use your socket set or screwdriver to remove any bolts or clips holding the sensor in place. 5. Remove the old sensor. Gently pull out the sensor. Be careful not to damage other components. Clean the mounting area. Use brake cleaner to clean any dirt or debris from the sensor's mounting hole. 6. Install the new sensor. Position the new sensor. Align it correctly with the mounting hole. Secure it in place. Replace any bolts or clips you removed earlier, using the torque wrench for proper tightness. Reconnect the connector. Ensure the electrical connector snaps back into place securely. 7. Reattach the wheel. Place the wheel back on. Align it with the lug bolts. Hand tighten the lug nuts. Start threading the nuts by hand. Lower the vehicle. Remove the jack stands and carefully lower the car. Fully tighten the lug nuts. Use a star pattern to ensure even tightening. 8. Test the new sensor. Turn on the ignition. Switch on your car's ignition without starting the engine. Check for warning lights. Ensure the ABS warning light is off. Test drive. Perform a short test drive to confirm proper braking functionality. By following these steps, you can confidently and safely replace your ABS speed sensor. This not only saves you money but also keeps your vehicle in top-notch condition, ensuring a safer driving experience. Tips for maintaining ABS speed sensors. Your vehicle's ABS speed sensor is crucial for safe braking and overall driving stability. Keeping these sensors in good condition helps prevent costly repairs and ensures your ABS system works effectively. Regular inspection. Just like you check the oil or tire pressure, regular inspection of your ABS speed sensors can catch potential problems early. Monthly checks. Make it a habit to inspect the sensors at least once a month. This is particularly important if you drive in harsh conditions, such as rain, snow, or dusty areas. A quick look can save you from bigger issues down the line. Look for damage. During your inspection, look for visible damage like cracks or frayed wires. Also, check for loose connections or corrosion on the sensor plug. Test drive. Occasionally, take your car for a short drive focusing on the braking system. Listen for unusual noises or feel for any irregularities in braking performance. If something feels off, it's time to investigate. Think of regular inspection as a health checkup for your car. Just as you wouldn't skip your doctor's appointment, don't skip checking your ABS sensors. Cleaning the sensors. Dirt and debris can easily accumulate on the ABS speed sensors, causing them to malfunction. Regular cleaning helps keep them in top condition. Gather supplies. You'll need a clean cloth, a soft brush, and brake cleaner. Make sure to use products that are safe for electronic components. Lift the vehicle. Use a jack to lift your car and secure it with jack stands. This gives you easy access to the wheel area where the sensors are located. Remove the wheel. For a thorough cleaning, it's best to remove the wheel to gain full access to the sensor. Clean the sensor. Gently wipe off any dirt or debris from the sensor using the clean cloth. For stubborn grime, use the soft brush and brake cleaner. Avoid using high-pressure water, which can damage electronic components. Clean the surrounding area. Don't forget to clean the area around the sensor as well. Dust and debris here can also affect the sensor's performance. Reassemble. Once cleaned, reattach the wheel and lower your vehicle. Think of cleaning the ABS sensors like keeping your glasses clean. Just as smudges make it hard to see, dirt on your sensors makes it hard for them to function properly. Keeping your ABS speed sensors well maintained ensures your car's braking system works efficiently. Regular checks and routine cleaning can save you headaches and keep your vehicle safe on the road. Cost considerations. When it comes to replacing your ABS speed sensor, understanding the costs involved can help you make a more informed decision. Let's break down the main factors that will affect your total expense. D versus professional replacement. Choosing between doing the replacement yourself or hiring a professional has a significant impact on cost and benefits. Let's weigh your options. D. Replacement. Replacing the ABS speed sensor yourself can save a lot of money if you have the right tools and a bit of mechanical know-how. Parts cost. The ABS speed sensor itself usually costs between $20 and $100. The price can vary depending on your vehicle's make and model. Tools. If you don't already have them, you might need to invest in tools like a jack, socket set, and multimeter. This could add an extra $50 $150 to your initial expense. However, these tools can be used for other maintenance tasks, making them a worthwhile investment. Time. Expect to spend about 1-2 hours on the job. If you're new to car repairs, it might take a bit longer. Time is also an investment, so consider if this is how you want to spend your Saturday afternoon. While DIY saves money on labor, you need to be confident in your skills. Mistakes can lead to further expenses if something goes wrong. Professional replacement. Having a professional replace the sensor ensures the job is done correctly but comes at a higher cost. Labor costs. Labor charges can range from $60 to $150 per hour, depending on the shop's rates and your location. Professionals typically complete the job within an hour. Parts cost. The sensor itself remains the same, usually between $20 to $100. However, some repair shops might mark up the cost of parts. Warranty. Most professionals offer a warranty on their work, giving you peace of mind. This can be a significant benefit, especially if any issues arise post-replacement. Choosing a professional means you pay more, but you get the benefit of expertise and a warranty on the job. This can minimize stress and ensure your car is safe to drive. Warranty and insurance. Considering warranties and insurance can also influence the overall cost of replacing your ABS speed sensor. Let's look into how these options can help cover expenses. Warranty. If your car is still under warranty, the cost of replacing the sensor may be covered. Manufacturer's warranty. Check your vehicle's manufacturer warranty. Many new cars come with warranties that cover such parts for a specific period or mileage. Extended warranty. If you purchased an extended warranty, review the terms to see if it includes ABS sensors. This can save you from unexpected out-of-pocket expenses. Warranties can be like a safety net, catching you when unexpected costs arise. Insurance. In some cases, your car insurance might also cover the cost of ABS speed sensor replacement, depending on your policy. Comprehensive coverage. If you have comprehensive coverage, your policy might cover the replacement cost if the sensor was damaged due to an accident or other incidents covered by insurance. Claim deductibles. Remember that you might still have to pay a deductible. Evaluate whether claiming insurance makes financial sense compared to paying out of pocket. Think of insurance as a financial cushion. It might not always be worth using for smaller repairs, but it can provide significant relief for larger issues. Understanding these cost considerations helps you decide the best course of action when it comes to replacing your ABS speed sensor. Whether you opt for a DIY approach or a professional replacement, or consider your warranty and insurance, being aware of these factors ensures you're making a well-informed decision. Replacing your ABS speed sensor is key to maintaining safe and reliable braking performance. This guide walked you through what an ABS speed sensor does, signs of a faulty sensor, and how to replace it yourself. Regular inspection and cleaning are important to keep your sensor in top shape. Quickly address any issues, whether through a DIY approach or professional help. Properly functioning ABS sensors help prevent wheel lock, maintain traction, and ensure overall vehicle safety. Keep your car safe and your ride smooth by staying on top of ABS sensor maintenance. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.